In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF file to MailerLite. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your ability to share documents efficiently through your email campaigns. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to navigate to the MailerLite website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to MailerLite to access their platform. If you haven't been to MailerLite before, it's a user-friendly tool that allows you to manage your email marketing with ease. Now you'll notice an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on this login button to proceed. Once you've clicked that, you'll be taken to the login page. Here you have several ways to sign in, but for today we're going to use the convenience of Google. So go ahead and click on sign in with Google. This method is fast and secure as it connects MailerLite to your Google account and gets you up and running without the hassle of remembering another password. After signing in, you'll land on the MailerLite dashboard. From this main page, look for the File Manager tab. It's usually located somewhere on the left sidebar, which is your control panel for managing various features within MailerLite. Click on File Manager. This is where you'll be managing your PDFs as well as other media files. In the File Manager, the next step involves uploading your PDF. You'll see an option that says My Device. This is your gateway to local files stored on your computer. Click on My Device and a window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your files. Find the PDF file you want to upload. This could be a brochure, a presentation, or any document you intend to share with your email recipients. You just need to select the file and MailerLite will take care of the rest. Once you've selected your file, it will start uploading. Keep an eye on the progress and wait for the upload to finish. Once uploaded, your PDF will be stored within MailerLite's File Manager, making it easily accessible whenever you're crafting an email campaign. And there you have it, a seamless way to add PDFs to your MailerLite account. By incorporating PDFs, you can provide more value to your audience, whether it's through detailed guides, informational brochures, or any other document you believe will benefit them. Remember, effective email marketing isn't just about text. It's about delivering comprehensive content in various formats to engage and inform your audience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.